Limited. Defunct. Ultra rare.
Hats and caps unboxings. And today we have a minor league baseball cap. It is a defunct team. Defunct teams meaning that they just no longer exist. So let's take a look at what we have in today. This is a good one. There it is. It's the Capital City Bombers, MILB team. They came into play in 1993. And they play in Columbia, South Carolina. They did play in Columbia, South Carolina. Columbia, South Carolina. They've been around since 1867, I believe. So it's historic. Definitely a historic area. It's a historic area for baseball, no doubt about it. So they did eventually change the name later on. Capital City Bombers. They changed it to something else, and other teams' farm systems moved throughout that stadium, that area. And when that usually happens, that means they're going to change the franchise name or logo or whatever, because it's a new identity. That's how it works in MILB, just minor league baseball. This was, I believe, once again, a Sneakerpolitics collaboration. I believe they created this particular style hat from Sneakerpolitics, and they did an outstanding job, especially with the colors used. So we'll do an up close look. There's the Capital City Bomber jet, working with a 7 3/4, but the color threading is pretty awesome on this. Let's do so. You'll see it once again. It's like you can kind of see the greens shades, different tones of greens. That's pretty nice. There's a side patch. We'll get to that. Let's take a look at other aspects of the cap. Extend the hat out a little bit to see the New Era logo as it was folding, and you couldn't really see it, but it is a blacked out New Era logo. Cap and the MILB batsman logo looks like the front. Side angle right here, as you can see, you do have the side patch. It is called the Capital City Bombers right there. And it is fighter jet or type of the theme. Red UV on this, which is interesting. Side of the cap, MILB genuine merchandise. This is a wool cap, and we're working with a 7 3/4. Last note via MILB 1993, honoring the heroic Doolittle Raiders, fighter pilots during World War II who trained for combat in Columbia. This is where the Capital City Bombers come from. That is the team name. So there's a nugget for you. Subscribe if you enjoy the content. More on the way. Thank you for watching, and have a good one, everybody.